Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change date of birth in Neverness to Everness game. So here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, launch the game and then press the escape button to bring up the menu, and then click on this three dot next to the profile and then click on edit profile, and then again click on this three dot and here you can see edit birthday. So click on edit birthday and here you can change the month and here you can change the date, and after selecting the month and day you can click on confirm to change the birth date. Now here you can see this cannot be undone, so you cannot change the birth date again in the game. Again click on confirm. So this is how you can change the birthday in Neverness to Everness game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.